In this video, we'll be showing you how to easily reassign the nets on selected components with the pin swapping feature in Solidworks PCB. Pin swapping makes it easy to quickly route the nets on high pin count components without having to deal with the mess of unconnected lines on an unrouted board. To begin the pin swapping process, we first need to select a component and enable pin swapping. To do this, we'll open our PCB document and then double-click on a component to open the Properties panel. From this panel, we'll then select the checkbox to enable pin swaps and press OK. Next, we need to isolate our pin swapping to specific pins on our component. This will be done with a swapping group. To do this, we'll navigate to the Tools ribbon, select Pin Part Swapping, and then select Configure from the list of options. Right now, the view displays only components with swap information. We'll uncheck this box to see all of the components in our design. We'll now double-click our desired component to see the individual pins associated with the component. Let's go ahead and select all the pins excluding the power and the ground, and then assign them to the new pin swap group. Once that is configured, we'll select OK to return to the PCB editor. Now that our pin swapping is set up properly, we can start to clean up our connection lines. Instead of swapping all of these connections one by one, we can use the automatic net pin optimizer under the pin part swapping option. Click OK to continue with the optimizer. When completed, a result window will appear displaying a summary of the optimizations. As you can see, our connection lines are now much more organized after using the automatic net pin optimizer, and we can now finish our routing.